Hey YouTube, we are back with another video. It's been probably a month or so since we last posted. The last video we posted was a vacation video. So yeah, it's been a little while since we've been on, but as you see we are, well, you probably can't tell because the sweater on, but cooking up here nicely. How many weeks are we now?
34.
34 weeks, you can see that belly there. So we getting ready to get.
And I have on pants. I have on shorts.
Oh yeah, YouTube, look, these are shorts. All right, look, don't try to flag nobody here. But anyway, we come today with a video because we're getting ready to put together his, what is it, Doona?
Car seat.
His car seat. We got, oh boy, whew, long way up. Got this big fella here. That Doona. It's too big, but anyway, y'all gonna see. We getting ready to unbox it. Get ready to put it together. Hopefully the assembly is nice and easy, but we'll find out. So y'all stay tuned for that. We also got some other strollers. Are we gonna make videos for those? Yeah. Unboxing?
Yeah.
We'll probably do unboxings for those as well. So y'all stay tuned. Those are gonna be a surprise.
And I'm gonna be sitting because my feet are swollen, so
yeah, pregnancy.
Probably be the most you'll see me in this video.
Pregnancy and me. Carrying low here.
Please.
But anyway, y'all stay tuned. We get ready to put this car seat and stroller together. Okay, dokie. Go.
Should be all one piece split. Should be all one piece split together.
I hope it's put together. Good, it might be nice and easy.
Yeah.
Oh. It's gonna be super easy. I should have had the video going when I put together the stroller. Y'all will see that one day in one of his, his crib. I'm talking about the stroller. When I put together that crib, boy, that took hours.
Okay, so there's the base. And
You said this is the base?
yes. So you leave that in the car.
In the car, right. Let me cut this open. So this is simple. There ain't even really nothing you put together here. This is just already, it's already done. Whew. I'm tired. Just turn that over. Oh. Let's bring this over here. All right. So this is the base. This is what stays in the car, right? Just stays in the car the whole time. You just snap the stroller or whatever this, the car seat / stroller right into this base, and then you remove it from the base and it's ready to go. Car seat and stroller.
Yep.
Simple. Got the base and now this car seat. It's light too.
It is?
Oh, I know folks were saying this was, well, you know, in the baby getting now.
Right.
It might be heavy, but right now, nah, right now this is super light. I think there was one of the complaints at first. Folks were saying it was just how heavy it was without even having the baby in there. Ooh, this thing nice though.
Ain't bad.
Yeah. Like the cover of this guy. Ooh, nice.
You better come with some directions.
Oh.
Especially with that base, cause how we doing that?
I think it do. Look at that, I'm already knowing.
Can't leave back this one.
Boy, they got a lot of bubble wrap on this thing. All right, there we go. Now that's all over for the most part. I think. Let's see, it's this. That's from going to the gym earlier. The gym got me tired. Doing this after a workout day is crazy. Installation in the vehicle with the base. Always rotate handle against seat back. Installation in the vehicle without the base. Okay. I got direction. Oh, this come with it. Yeah, it come with a direction. Packing on here too.
Ooh,
contraction. Come a little instruction guide here. Oh wait, that's Spanish side. I don't know now. Okay, yeah, come with a user guide. Okay, cool. All right, I think this is pretty much. Hold on, what's this? Push. Open the safety belt, and then a vehicle seat protector. Comes with a seat protector too. That's what it looks like. It says vehicle seat protector. Oh, okay. You see the picture?
No, I see it. Like, I don't get it. Like, what?
Like you stick this against the car seat and let the flap down, so I guess it protects the seat.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see.
No, you don't. No, you don't. So you see what I'm saying? Yeah, you stick in the car seat and lay it down. Okay.
I thought it was a window tint.
No, that's what I thought it was too. When I was on roll, I was like, "This is actually a little window tint." But no, okay, comes with that as well.
Okay, I don't know if we'll use that, but
we probably will. And then, okay, whew. That's everything. All right, now for the challenging part. Figured out the brakes, right? Figured out how to start it, stop it, to get it to roll. How you switch it to, like this is stroller mode.
Oh, it's
to put it in car seat mode.
So you have to pull.
Well, first you should lock the wheels, right? Probably. Oh yeah, lock the wheels.
No, I wouldn't.
Don't lock the wheels.
No.
You don't think so?
No, cause you're gonna push the thing back. Push the handrails back. So push them forward.
Push the handrails forward. Okay. It's handrails on the side here. Let me slide it over.
Or buttons.
Right here. Yeah, these buttons right here. So this is how you
push it.
No. First you gotta let it down.
Yeah,
All right, first you gotta let it down. So button at the top to let it down. We haven't looked at no directions or nothing yet. We just unboxed it and showing y'all this video. So that's why we guessing what to do right now with most of the stuff. But most of it seems like kind of common sense.
Right.
All right, then you push the side buttons in right here, right?
Push it forward.
You push it all the way forward.
Back.
Okay, and then from there,
button in the back.
Here from here, it's like a.
And you push it forward.
This button right here in the back. You can pull in, push in.
Yeah. You gotta push it forward. Like when you press the red.
Somebody
button.
said, I remember a while ago. Oh yeah, like that. There we go. Bam. I remember somebody was like, "There's a shortcut thing. Is like just put your foot in front of the wheel. That way you can easily push it forward."
Yep.
All right, and just like that. I can't even see the angle. Just like that. It's ready to go. Car seat mode. You put it right in the base. Once you have the base installed in your car, over here, put it right in the base, snap it right in, and you're good to go. I wonder if we can snap it in.
Oh. This something new. This is like a whole nother ball game.
Right.
Like, cause you have to put it in the car.
Yeah. I think the car install easy though. I think it is.
The car seat is easy.
The car seat kind of simple, but you know what? Yeah, it's different. This gonna actually have to be. It looks simple though. It says on the instructions, you latch it in to the seat belt, right? Vehicle lap, shoulder belt. You take the belt, put it through. Yeah. All right, never mind. So yeah,
no.
That's the unboxing video, and this is the what is the Doona?
Yep.
This don't have a model name. It's just Doona. That's it.
Yeah.
Oh well, this is the Doona, and you can't even see you. There we go.
Should I give it a try?
There's mommy. You want to give it a try? A push?
Yeah.
Are you feeling up for it?
I know. Video.
Yeah, but we in the video. We can.
Okay.
Hope you push this in.
Let mom give it a try. Mom is tired.
Mom is pregnant.
Okay. I'm about to try it now, so I'm scared. Alright. So here's the button.
That's the latch.
Oh wait.
No, that ain't it. First you gotta move the handlebar, remember? Right?
No.
We haven't had it in this mode yet, I don't think. I think first you take these, right? And you move it forward. Right, that's what you do the sidebars first.
No. You do that after you get it up first.
Oh, so first you gotta lift it up.
Yeah. So you lift it down.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, you gotta it's this thing right. It's just kind of pushing it. Watch your feet. That's right.
Okay.
It's that button in the back. And then
pull these up.
You can move that mud flap out the way.
It's to protect me.
And just like that. Oh yeah, it's already. And then see, click the lock it. The red. See how the wheels lock?
Yeah.
And then click the green. Now it's unlocked. Now you can free roll.
How look, y'all?
Lock them on.
Oh, I'm ready to. A little rough.
We both look rough. There's been a lot of preparing going on, man. Getting his room situated, getting everything together, finalizing stuff. They had the little demo baby. Remember the one they had like at Macy's?
Yeah.
It was like a little baby you can stick in to get an actual feel of the weight. But it push smooth, don't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, here you go. I'm letting it down.
We're gonna pull it back. Okay.
Turn around.
Ha!
Whoa, Junior's falling out. That's why they said put your well, your feet swollen, but yeah, put your foot against it.
Against the wheel or
kind of against the wheel. That way it don't really move like that when you collapse it.
Oh nah.
Let me see.
And my stomach get away.
Let me see. That's why I think they did say. I think lock it first. I believe they said.
Okay.
Let me see.
So I thought if you lock it, it wasn't gonna move.
Yeah, it don't move, which would probably make it easier for you.
It's not gonna allow you to close it.
Oh well, yeah, you might be right. Let me put it on again. Okay, let me unlock it. And then a latch in the back. Yeah.
So your foot has to be there?
Your foot don't have to be there. I just saw on TikTok, it was like, this is the easiest technique. It's like if you put your foot there, you can just kind of push it into your foot.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? That way it just...
Maybe a bit easier once he's like out, because bending over like that is...
And then he in car seat mode, right? That's it. It's done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
This ain't that bad then. But the wheels kind of sit funny in the back. Unless, oh, it wasn't all the way down. There we go. Now it's all the way down. All right, y'all.
That was a lot. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not judge us on this video. We don't know what we're doing, but
yeah, this is supposed to be just an unboxing, but we decided to just give a sample run without looking at anything. So I think we did pretty good though, because we didn't look at no directions. We haven't looked at none that come with. We played with this once before. I feel like at Macy's.
Nordstrom.
At Nordstrom, but that was months ago. That was a long time ago. So we kind of remember from that. Plus, I've seen video. We both seen videos on TikTok of the Doona, so kind of had a basic understanding of it. But it is pretty simple. So
yeah,
something like nice.
Well, stay tuned. We're almost ready to push.
Yep. We'll be seeing y'all soon. Peace.